Hey y'all, it's Jamie Deen, and guess what? It's Thanksgiving, and what are y'all thankful for? I'm thankful for y'all, thankful for my family, and I'm thankful for potatoes. We're gonna do a chive cream potato today. First thing that we gotta start with, y'all, got 1.5 pounds of cubed and peeled potatoes. Now, y'all know that if this was my recipe, I would have left the peels on those potatoes because I like peels on the potatoes. But when in Rome, y'all, we're gonna eat Romans. I'm gonna cook these potatoes down. This is gonna be a boring 3 or 4 minutes, y'all. Stick around. When you come back, we're really gonna get into our cream potatoes. It's Thanksgiving, y'all. You need your side dishes. Come on back. Hey, y'all, look at here. I got my potatoes done. And this is a very simple recipe, which is good for this time of the year because everybody is so busy. Now, this is where you have to make a choice for yourself. Do you like skin on your potatoes? I do. I would have left them on. These have been cut out. So that's the first decision you have to make. Next, how much butter and sour cream? This is not sour cream. This is a chive and onion cream cheese. So do you like your spoon to stand up in your potatoes or do you like it to fall over in your potatoes? I don't like mine super wet. I kind of like them a little chunky. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start with a smaller amount of butter than it calls from. And I'm gonna start with a smaller amount of this chive cream cheese than it calls for. Because I wanna make sure, because you know what would happen if it would be too wet, you'd have to scramble and do some more potatoes so you could tighten them up. And I don't wanna do that. So I've got my hand mixer here, my hand beater, masher. I'm gonna get all this worked in well. Now I hadn't hit this with any salt and pepper yet. But I'm introducing a big flavor with this cream cheese in here. This flavored cream cheese, you can't ever tell which way it's gonna go. I think I might be right on the money with my consistency here. Looks a little bit like potato salad. So I'm gonna add a little bit more butter. I'm gonna go a little bit more on this. And then I really got mashed. If you got a hand blender at the house, you can break that out. Y'all know that's easy peasy, nothing to it. And if you got a big family, this wouldn't be as easy to do it with this tool. But for today, this was perfect. This is a small family we got coming to Thanksgiving this year. And I also have a little bit of fresh chives, just for some color. Really not much to cream in a potato. Let's test it. Ooh. God, I really do love that chive. Little bit of black pepper, a little bit of salt right on the top. Tell you what, here's another thing that you'll be thankful for this year, y'all. Happy Thanksgiving. This is good food. I'm Jamie Dean. We'll see you around the kitchen. Give me that spoon.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.